Howdy, partner. So you want to learn how to fix a dent in the wall caused by a broken doorstop? Well, you're in luck. We're going to show you today. Today, we're going to walk you through how to fix one of these dents in the wall. We've all been there. The doorstop stops working and then bam, you get a dent in the wall and you got this ugly eyesore. We just replaced the doorstop. If you haven't checked out that video, hit the subscribe button in the bottom right. You can check out all these back to basics video from Mr. Greg's How To. So to fix this, the easiest way to do it is going to pick up some lightweight spackling. This is DAP Fast and Final. There's a bunch of different brands. I'm not an influencer for this company or anything. It's just what I had around. If it dries out, you can add a little bit of water to it and mix it around. This one's pretty old, so I just had to add a drop of water. You can also use drywall compound or anything else. Basically, you want to take this. You can use your fingers, or you can use a, forgot what this is called, but you can use that or this. So you just want to go ahead and put this right here. That's way more than we need, but then you just give it a quick run across. You want to zoom in. Kind of work it a couple times till you filled the area very nicely. Again, this is a textured wall, so we don't need perfection. And once you've gotten it on, I like to take a wet paper towel, just touch up the edges. That'll dry nice and hard. Hit it with coat of paint. You're good as new. So very easy repair. Don't let that eyesore bother you. Just go ahead, replace your door stop so it doesn't happen again. Put some spackle over there. You're good to go. Appreciate tuning in to Mr. Greg's How To. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate any advice you have or any ideas you have on future videos. And remember, if I can do this, you can too. Thanks for watching.